Hello and welcome to my tutorial how to add my SMG asset to your avatar. Once you get everything imported in, you're gonna click on the SMG folder and drag the prefab in, and then unlock it, and then drag it onto your avatar. Then you're going to want to go down to your hands, open up this, and then drag your right hand onto the right hand and left hand on the left hand. This can go on your right leg if you want it to be on the right leg. It's already on the right leg. You can move it if you like. It doesn't have to be there. Next, we're going to merge the animations, and we're going to use the Avatar 3.0 merger. So you can just click on that and open it up. Drag your avatar into here, open up the FX, add merge, open up the animations, drag in the SMG FX, and merge on current. Then you can go into your FX and see if it worked. Looks like it did. Everything's added in. Then you're gonna go to your parameters and add in SMG. Oops. And then you're gonna do a menu. So go in here, SMG, add a submenu, and look for the SMG sub. Then you just want to put the icon in that I made, and that should be about it. Then if you have a different avatar, to be able to move this around in the correct areas, you can go to here, the SMG handle, and go into the pairing constraint. See how it's on the back? That means you can move this around. So if you wanted it to be on your back, you would have to move this to your chest, and then you could reset and then move this around to get it sit on your back however you want. And if you want to have a different avatar that has your hands in a different area, go to set SMG right hand to 1, and then you can go see that it's here, and you can move where your right hand's gonna be. The left hand will be similar. It should be around there in the palm of the hand. And to scale it, I would grab it here and scale the whole thing. Once you're done with moving your stuff around, you want to go back to the handle and reset it to the where it was. So SMG back was 1. That should be about it.